groove.cm apps review, all groove.cm apps plus coming soon. Groove.cm is a complete marketing and sales system with over 10 plus apps that you can use for any type of business. So going to the next app, we also have here the Groove Mail. So this is your email marketing tools. From here, you can build your email list, send out email marketing campaigns, set up autorespond, and more. And what I love about this is that with your free account or free plan, you can add up to 500 customers in your contact list, which is very good for just free. So if you're interested to sign up for free, just click the link in the description below to sign up. And also from this platform, you can create marketing automation of if and then rules within Groove Mail and other Groove apps as well, like Groove Sell and Groove Member. And if you are wondering what is if and then rules, then for example, if the customer reply about the product, then the system will automatically send the product list to your customer. And that is the example of how if and then rules work. So this app is the direct competitor of MailChimp, Squarespace, HubSpot, and other email marketing platform. And these are the Groove apps that are currently available now, and there are also new apps coming soon. And most of the Groove apps here are now getting better and faster compared to the previous year. So if you need a website, email marketing, membership site, e-commerce, webinars, sales management, blog website, and affiliate software, then groove.cm is the perfect one for you. Plus, they also have the additional apps coming soon, and these apps are Groove Desk, Groove Calendar, Groove Webinars Live, Groove Proof, Groove Streaming, Groove Survey, Groove Quiz, Groove Funnel Mapping, Groove Pipe CRM. So these are the new apps that will coming soon inside your groove.cm. So if you're interested to sign up or try the groove.cm, then just click on the link in the description below to sign up for free. So I hope that you learned something from this video, and thank you so much for your time watching.